I can't believe they didn't give me a table. Well, you know what? I can use my own table. There we go. Well, hello, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to talk about today something that's been forgotten in the magic community. Forget about finding to buy one of these. Nobody is mentioning these in the internet. Tom Mullica used to do this in his pantomime show, where he had a table that he can produce and he uses as a gag. He can use it as an assistant. He can deal card in here. He can put his cup in here. So I'll show you how you can build one of these. And I know Tom Mullica used to make a few of them when he was alive. You can see it in his pantomime. If you watch his penguin lecture, he talks about his table a little bit also. But in this video, I'll show you how you can build one of these. It's really easier than it seems. I'll show you the material and some close-up and what you need to do and what you need to get. And yeah, so some ideas here. You can use this table here, for example. If you have a top hat, collapsible top hat, for example, let's see. I used to have a magnet here. I have a magnet. I'll talk about this also. If you put the magnet here, see how reliable this ditch table or dump table or a loading table. So really cool. Other ideas is you can use one of these circus hat, just a different design. And when you have the magnet here, it allows you to have multiple options. You can just put a piece of cork or a piece of a wood here, and it becomes a top table, maybe with a cloth for the stage. So you get the idea. With the magnet here, which I'll talk about in a few moments, you can do multiple things with this. But the first thing is you need to go to buy this music stand. And usually these are the lightweight, smaller music stands. Do not get the heavy ones. So I have a heavy-duty ones over here. I have a drum, something for the drums. So these are heavy. You don't want that. You want the stuff that someone new in music, he tries something, he decides not to play music anymore, so he puts this in a thrift store, so you go and buy it for $2. This is what you're looking for. The cheaper, the lighter, the smaller. And I'll show you how you can enhance this as well. So this is not the best design. I'll show you the best, some things that I can do to make this smaller and more compact. But the idea is when you want to open it, it collapses like this and you can secure them and you're ready to perform. Some of the things here, this is a flank table. So IKEA used to sell a table with a top as a solution. It used to be really affordable for $4 a table leg. And I use this a lot, by the way. If you look here, I have this, this is the leg here, and it has one of these, and I screwed this on a wooden suitcase over here. So I use this solution a lot. The problem is they do discontinue this. And I know IKEA, they have different solution. I think they have a different model or different size of a table leg with a flank. I think it's $7. You can check that. If not, just use a flank from the hardware. And what you want to do at the hardware also, you want to go to the bolts and see some kind of bolt or a pipe that fits in the thread. If you find that, then buy it. And this will be your secured system here. So you take one of these, you take this bolt, you go to your workshop, you put it on a vise, you get one of these hand saws that saw the metal, you cut the top of the bolt, and this top of the bolt you want to glue inside of the music stand. Of course, you want to saw the music stand as well. And I used the JB weld, the strong one, the one that takes 24 hours. It's as hard as a rock. So you want to put the bolt inside and then put JB weld inside very well. Make sure it's clean. And before you do that, you want to get one of those elastic bands, the thicker ones, the one like 6 milli. If you know your rising wand, silver scepter, for example, if you look at the elastic, it's not the round one, it's just like the kind of flat and wide one. So you want to get one of those, maybe 6 milli thick. And you want to glue it when you put the thread with the JB weld so it's secured. After it dries, you want to put it inside here, all the way down. And what I did is I secured it to this portion over here that allows the legs to go up and down, this portion. So this is going up, the elastic is going down from here up, and is holding this part right here, right? This one right here that controls this, right? So what I do is when I shake this open, this will open, and the because the rubber band is pulling on that, on this part right here, when I shake it, it will open like that. And then from here, I just kind of put the and secure it, right? And then you have the thread here to put the table, or this will be already installed here. So to make this better, actually, if I need to redesign this, what I'll do first is a few things. I'll show you here. I'll make this smaller and more compact because I do have an extra PC. So the legs here goes up to this much. So if I would redesign this, I would make sure the table is this tall. So I'll cut this, and make sure it is this smaller size, more compact. It fits better. It's better to conceal, better to hide. That's number one. Number two is you need some kind of a holder to hold this, to hold it on your body. So you can come on stage and then you can pull it out. So at the moment I don't have a holder. I just put it in my back pocket awkwardly and was walking like that. But I do need a holder system to hold it. So maybe you guys can help me out with that or give me ideas. So other than that, so you have the elastic going here, going inside, and I'll show you a close-up here. It goes up here and it is holding to this part right here. It's really, that's it. It's really simple. And I know Tom Mullica used to make these when he was alive, and he made few of them. And right now, I mean, it's not about finding one online. It's like nobody even mentioned this, so it's been forgotten magic. So you can revive this and revive magic, forgotten magic. And if you can buy his lecture on penguin, maybe the funds will support his family. I don't know. But you know, Tom Mullica will be remembered as a genius as he is. And I hope you like this video. And other than the music stand, the flank from IKEA, I do have a metal plate. This is used to stick this to your phone, so you can stick this tablet or phone or device on a magnet. So I just added the magnets that I added 5 magnets over here, and kind of glued 5 magnets over here that they will connect to each other very well. And this piece, I just if I need it, I can put it in the hat. I can put it, or you can perform it like this. Just put the cup here or deal it on here. This works as a table as well. Yeah, contact me if you have any questions. Hopefully you like this video, and we'll see you next time. All right, take care, guys.